just made crafts with the kids, and I did only two because I had two that were old enough to do it. And we made little pine cone skiers. These pine cones came from one of the kids that she picked them up. And we also made these snowflake ornaments that look so pretty when they are hanging on a tree and the light from the Christmas tree hits them. Well, hello guys. So it is around noon on Friday, and I had a very productive day today. I've cleaned, I dusted half my main floor before I even got any of the kids. So I dusted it by 8 a.m. and then I did several crafts with the daycare kids, so as you saw. And then right now we finished lunch. I have some cleaning up to do, and I am making a crock pot dinner, which is a really quick one. It's not a very long one. So I'm making butter chicken. I always call it my cheat meal because usually we make butter chicken. We make the sauce from scratch, but I am not making the sauce from scratch. I am using the Patak's original butter chicken cooking sauce. And ingredients are water, onion, tomato, cream, unsalted butter, vegetable oil, sugar, concentrate tomato puree, modified cornstarch, spices, garlic, ginger, salt, paprika, lactic acid, cardamom, dry fenugreek, leaf paprika extract, and citric acid. And for half a cup of the sauce, it has 13 grams of carbs and 2 grams of fiber, and it has 7 grams of sugar, which seems a little high, but I think most of it comes from tomatoes and tomato puree and onions, and probably a little bit from cream. So it's not as high as some of the other ones that you can buy at the store. So this is, like I said, I just got this from my local grocery store, and it's gluten-free as well. So I just put chicken in there, I put some salt and pepper, and then I add the sauce, and I'm gonna turn it on for about 4 to 4.5 hours on high. So here it is. I have put it on for 4 hours, and I used 2 of these sauces for 5 chicken breasts. Now I'm going to clean up the little bit of mess, start the dishwasher from lunch and breakfast, and that's it. So I tidied up the kitchen, and I also started, got the sides all ready. I'm soaking the rice, and I'll turn it on about 45 minutes, half an hour, 45 minutes before the chicken's done. And same with the cauliflower. I'm gonna roast it in the oven about 45 minutes before the chicken's done. I only put olive oil and a little bit of salt on the cauliflower so it stays bland, because I'll be putting the butter chicken over top of it for myself and my husband, and the kids will have rice. I have also bought these mini naans for the kids to have. Obviously they're not gonna have all of them, but they're great to make mini pizzas on them as well, so we'll use those for that. That's it. Now I'm gonna go and do some editing, and then I'm gonna finish dusting the rest of the house. I did the upstairs bathrooms yesterday, and as well as the bedroom, and then all I will have left is the floors and the downstairs bathroom once I'm done dusting and cleaning the kitchen. But usually I don't do the bathroom until the daycare kids go home, since they're the ones that use it as well. And then I'm also going to I might make the kids do the vacuuming and washing the floor. I haven't decided yet. So it's almost at the end of my working day. The kids are settled down for a Christmas movie because started last week. Every Friday, as a treat, we have movies and popcorn or other snacks depending on the age of the kids that are here. And I play Christmas movies. This is a special treat that I had come up with. Well, I didn't come up with, but I've been doing it for years, and parents actually quite like it. So I don't start the movie till about 4 o'clock, and most of the kids get picked up by 5 anyways, so it's not too long of a TV time. So while they are watching the TV, I am in need of, because it's November 30th, to meal plan for next month. I haven't done so yet. So first things first, I have to figure out when I need meals for the month. So that's what I'm gonna do right now. So I had kind of went over the calendar and I wanted to show you. So tomorrow, which is the 1st, we have a tournament and it's all day. So I won't have time to prepare anything. We don't have enough time to come home in between. It's local, so but we don't have enough time to come in between the games. So I left, we're just gonna go grab something near the pool. Then on the 8th, we're going to friend's house. On the 15th, we have a Christmas party. We also have two Christmas parties on the 14th, but I'm not sure whether we're gonna eat first or maybe just make something for the kids because they are not coming here. Then on the 18th is my birthday, so I prefer not to cook. So if my husband wants to cook, he's got to figure out what he wants to make. And then the 24th, we are at my parents'. 25th, we are at my mother-in-law's. I also wrote down that breakfast menu plan for 25th. I need to work on that. 26th, I will most likely have a ton of leftovers, so I won't have to do anything there. And then that's so far. I am hoping to entertain here, so I will leave these empty just to see if we will entertain. If anybody comes over, I will plan accordingly to that day. So now I'm gonna figure out what I'm gonna plan out for the meals that I do need. And usually the way I do it, if you haven't been watching my videos, I double check my freezer to see what I have and go from there. So that way I use up the stuff from the freezer first and then stock up on the rest of the meat that I need. Oh yeah, and I just remembered that on the 9th I am hosting a cookie exchange, so I will have ladies here in the afternoon. So I probably won't have time to make dinner, but and I don't want to run a slow cooker and get my house all stinky. So what I'm probably going to use here is a freezer meal. So I'm going to write that in right away before I forget. And I think I have one left from my freezer meals that I made a while back, which I will link the video so you can see what I made. Okay, so I will get back to you once I figure out what my meals are. So this is how far I have gotten so far. I have made this week's menu, the coming week menu, and the dinner menu for that week, and then nothing else. So I think I'm ready to go grocery shopping, so that's good, but I will finish the rest of it tomorrow. And I've been using this one, the Yummy and Yummer, which is I got from the book that I got from Weight. I don't think it's called Weight Watchers anymore, but I call it Weight Watchers.
It's VV.
Anyways, and it has some pretty good recipes, so I've kind of took out some of them from there. So now we're gonna go grocery shopping.